Banana mug cake. This is a quick and easy dessert, so delicious and just takes a few ingredients and a few minutes to cook. So let's start. Take 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It's optional but it tastes really good. And mix them together. In another bowl, take half a banana or 3/4 if it's small and mash it. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix them together. And add them to the dry ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix until combined. If the mixture is thick, you can add a little bit more milk to adjust the consistency. I'm adding another half a tablespoon of milk here. Looks good now. To it, you can add about a tablespoon of raisins or chocolate chips. I'm adding a bit of both. And it's ready to microwave. Depending on your microwave, it will take 60 to 90 seconds to cook. First set it to 60 seconds and then check and cook further if needed. When it's cooked, the edges will slightly pull from the cup. Also, you could gently touch the top, and if the fingers stick slightly, it's done. You can top it up with a few slices of banana and some chocolate chips. And enjoy this yummy, moist and flavorful dessert. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and do subscribe to my channel for more such easy to follow recipe videos. Thanks for watching.